In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall the buy button sales channel in Shopify. As you can see in the product editor under publishing section, the buy button is installed by default. In my case, since I'm not using it, let's go ahead and uninstall it. To make this change, at the bottom left corner, click on settings and then select sales channels. On this page, make sure the install tab is selected, then look for buy button, click on three dots, and then select uninstall. You'll be presented with this warning before uninstalling. Make sure you fulfilled all your orders from buy button and process any returns and refunds. As in my case, I'm not using it, so I can safely delete it. Let's check this box. I understand the risk of installing the sales channel. Now let's select the reason. Let's pick this one, not using the app right now. And then click on uninstall. Let's close this window. Let's go to products. Let's open one of the existing products. And as you can see, the buy button is no longer displayed under publishing section. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If you want more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.